Oyaore, oimore, good morning, good evening. Iriyo nade, misawa, how are you? How have you been? This is Luo English Dictionary channel. In this channel, we teach each other Luo. We talk about verbs, nouns, adverbs, pronouns, and everything else to do with Luo. Today's video is about the Luo nouns that begin with the letter D. So these are the nouns, both the singular and plural, and we shall be also giving captions in the English name of what we have right now. So let's start with dag. Dag. Dag is a large container, and many large containers are called degi. Degi. Those are many large containers. Dala. Dala. And Dala is a special one. Dala is a home. And some people say delni, delni, but the correct word is mir. Mir. Mir are many homes. So you can see that it doesn't take the D as the front, the DA, but it instead gives you a totally different word, and that word is mir. Then there is dapi. That is, dapi is a water pot made of clay. Dapi, the plural is dapige. Dapige. Dayo, grandma, dayo. Grandmothers, deye. Deye. Del. Del is your skin. Del, del. One skin. Dende. Many skins. Dende. Dero. Dero is a granary. I think the modern day pantry. Dero. Dere. 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 Dako. Dako is a woman or a wife. And dako also takes a special plural, and we call dako mon. Mon. So dako does not become some people say dekni, but dekni is not really right. You should say mon. Mon is many, many women. Dano. Dano also takes a special place. Dano is a human being, and if there are many, you say G. G, not any other thing. You say G. Dano, G. Diang. Diang is a cow, and many cows are called dok. Dok. Do-ot. That is a doorway or a door. Do-ot. Do-udi. Do-udi. DL. DL is a goat. DL. Diek. Diek. Din. Din is a religious sect or a creed. Din. Din is dinde. Dinde. Dirisa. Dirisa is taken from Swahili, and it means a window. The correct word actually is otuchi for Luo, but dirisa is acceptable, and dirisa becomes dirise. Dirise. Many drisas. Dualo. Duasi. Duasi. Now duasi is a cow which has calved. Duasi. And the plural is duesni. Duesni. Then the last one is due. Due. Due is a moon. Due might mean the moon, or due also means menses. And due becomes dueye. Dueye. Many moons, like in Jupiter. Is it Jupiter or Mars or some place where there are many moons? You call them dueye. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have ideas that you think might enrich this video, please send them to the email above, and we shall be glad to respond. You have a nice day. Oriti.